All right, short message. I see a lot of massage therapists like in panic right now, or depressed or stressed. And they say, I'm tired. I want to quit. It's no make a living. I can't make living on it. Money's too small. Everything is up. Yes, it's true. Everything is up. But the thing is, if you represent as a massage, like a Swedish or whatever, that deep tissue stuff has been years and years, it's not working anymore. You always have to be ahead what's gonna come, and you can't stay in the same old technique and just represent the whole thing. It's because more people pile up, and if it's a lot of people that produce the same service, trust me, you're going to be always compete on those money. You're going to be cheaper, or you're going to do something extra, like I don't know, hot stone, or like expensive oil, or you're going to drive to people's house for the same prices as other people do. It's a new era. Everything is new and everything is changed. So many a new technique, new skills is open up there. Neuro training, kinesis, like all those movements, like eye positioning, the tongue position. So it's part of the neuro training. Functional movement screening, functional exercise, correction exercise, mobility, stability. It's just blowing mind, man. Right now, it's blowing mind. And the more, like, trust me, you will learn, the more you're going to go deep inside. And maybe you're tired because yes, the people is stressful right now. It's so many stress. It's come to you because you transmit this energies go through you. Try to filter it. Try to just be present, but not take it as yours, as like your fault. People in pain, you massage therapists do this a lot. They try to help. They very into the treatment, and it's come to you guys. A lot of stress right now. It's jump on you right away. It's gonna drain you. Plus, yes, you're stressful. Turn all those information off. All those bad news, cut it off. And brother and sister, trust me, you need those. We need us. They need us, because so many stress right there, so many pain, and they just don't know about that yet. But they will come. They will come. People treat massages like all those, especially in California, it's like a sexual stuff. It wasn't really good to represent of a massage therapy in California. I'll be honest with you. I've been driving, and it's been kind of like downstream of what's the true massage is. When people come into my clinic, when I start approaching them as a Wisconsin style, trust me, they just like, wow, this is like completely different, and people will pay money for it. Partial assessment, some fascia work, some explanation of what you do. It's going to be beautiful. So don't give up. Change approach. Ask chat, ask AI. He will help you out. Give him idea, what are you looking for. Just see that picture clearly, who you are and how you want to help. You want to be a healer, you do some energy work, you go one direction. You want to be sport therapist, you go one direction, and you'll get those skills. Don't go over, and don't stop repeating this deep tissue in Swedish. Deep tissue. It's everywhere. And it's $40 on those spas. You're not going to compete with them, because everyone call, they will go to them, because I'm charging 140. Who's gonna pay me 140 if I'm just gonna call massage or deep tissue? No one gonna pay me. No one gonna come in. But it's a different approach, different idea about who you are and how you can help those people. And that's the mission. This is idea. And take a break. Take 3 days. Just go somewhere. Expensive travel, oil, scared as planes crashing every day. Fine, go to the park, go to the forest, whatever your state represent, like lakes. I don't know. I'm at the ocean. I'm at the ocean right now. You can see it. It's right there. I just finished my walk. Just clear my head out. It's stressful, yes. And guess what? Everything is what's no need for your life. It's disappeared. Just let it go. Don't hold it. Don't try to hold it. You will get there. Work on yourself, and you'll see the magic is gonna happen. If you need help, join our Patreon, YouTube. We're all there. Like I said, I've been doing this for 20 years, and I'm still not tired. And I'm just get more excited because it's more cool stuff up there. Don't give up. I know you're tired. It's a lot of stuff up there, sisters and brothers. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.